as we move through society, there's more and more cases of cardiovascular and metabolic diseases causing amputation, such as diabetes and dysvascular as well. They need a prosthetic, they need some sort of device to help them get their lives back. So it is essential for an amputee to live. Exercise science, there's a lot of different routes you can go. I guess the most common field would be a personal trainer or some sort of strength conditioning coach. However, the more I looked into the programs, I realized that there's more to exercise science than just those fields. And I actually did some digging and I found prosthetics and orthotics. I like the aspect of combining hands-on projects and working, as well as the healthcare and clinical aspect of it. And it's growing, it's not very known, so I figured it's a great opportunity to get into a new field and, put my mark into it and, hopefully change it for the better. It is very engineering based, but the more I got into it, I realized that it is very clinical and medically based as well. Obviously, the engineering side is the designing stuff. However, working with the patient interaction, and the amount of anatomical knowledge you need to have developing the prostheses and orthese. So there is a close correlation where the prosthetist or the orthotist works alongside the physical therapist to brainstorm and to try and correct issues, and some sort of biomechanical issues with the patient. And also, coming from exercise science, you have that background already, so you guys can essentially work together, truly work together to, fix the patient. MedEast, they are a prosthetic and orthotic company where they provide custom and off-the-shelf orthotic devices as well as custom prosthetic devices. Every case is unique, every case is different, so it allows just some freshness in the field. And the people are great. So far, what I've experienced is everyone has a unique story and a different story, and they're, the people themselves, the patients they're inspiring, is all I have to say, is the perseverance that they go through, and to be able to help them, it has a special meaning. I feel like, coming from an exercise background, you recognize the need for fitness within the amputee community. So coming into this field, I hope to also work with patients to really guide them in their journey and really make a difference in terms of advocating for the need for exercise.